Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to filter your searches by size in the Amazon Shopping application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your screen, and there you will find a search bar. Just press on it, and here you should write in the item that you want to search for example shoes. Just press search, and after that you will see the filters in the left side of the screen. Press on it, and here you will see under the filters a list, and you will find the sizes. I think it is the fifth one here. Just press on that, and you can see the sizes. In this case, since I'm searching for men's shoes, now I will find here the sizes for men's shoes. I just press on the size that I want to search for, and I can also select the shoe width, which can be medium wide or X wide. I'm just going to select, I don't know, like a wide one, and I will just press X now to this section, and after it disappears you will see that only shoes with those filters will appear in the search results. So basically this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye bye.